come on, not today. Who are you?
It is I, the vehicle maintenance fairy. Now, let's prevent future roadside tragedies. First, check your tires for tread and pressure. And don't forget the spare. It's not just trunk decor. Next, check your battery. They don't just run on hopes and prayers. Be sure to check your fluids and coolant so you can avoid the mobile sauna experience. Make sure your headlights shine bright and your brakes are tight. And finally, pack a simple emergency kit with a first aid kit, flashlight, duct tape, and jumper cables.
Okay, I'll do better, I swear.
Good, because I've got a 3,000-mile wait list. Don't rely on fairy dust. Do your own checks to avoid roadside mischief.
Follow MDOT series The Rules of the Road for more traffic facts.